This is Ben's first time with carrots, huh? It's your first time with carrots and you love them. Those are so yummy. Mmm. You're eating whole bites. Yeah. You're doing so good. Right? Is that exciting? Isn't that green beans? Ready? Good job. Good job. You're so excited about carrots, huh? Ready?